Hi everyone, it's me Ronan and welcome to my channel. Okay, right now what I'm going to talk about is the effect of biotin. 2017, I discovered biotin online. So I was just searching in the internet about how to actually grow my hair back. And then I watched a lot of videos regarding biotin, and so I decided to order online and use it. So I've been using biotin since the last week of December. Here it is. It's 10,000 mcg biotin organic. So I've been using biotin less than 2 months right now. I bought this online and it says it will help you strengthen your hair, strengthen your nails, and it'll give you good skin. I didn't actually have any drastic effect in me for that less than 2 months, but I'm not really sure in the future. I only have 3 major things that I've noticed. Okay, the first one is that my lashes. A few days ago, I've noticed that my lashes is thicker and longer than what I used to have, and some of my friends in the office actually noticed this too. I don't have much of a lashes before, but now I actually have one. I like it though. Then second thing is that my nails, it grew faster than what I normally have. And the third one is my hair, though I did actually have a drastic effect, I didn't expect it to restore the hair that I used to have when I was younger, but the hair fall that I have right now is lessened compared than what I used to have before I used biotin. So this is the hair that I have right now, and yeah, it's more fuller than what we used to have, or probably it's because of the haircut, but I don't have much of a hair fall now compared before. So that's actually a 3 major effect that I have by using biotin for less than 2 months. Hopefully that I'll have more good news for you guys, or a good effect from taking biotin, but we'll see in the next month or 2, right? I'll give you an update on that. So thank you for watching, guys. If you want more videos, just subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon. Bye.